Al,
wanna go to sleep, Al?
wanna go night-night?
No.
You wanna watch the Buckeye game? Buck.
Wanna watch TV? Wanna watch the Buckeyes?
No.
Wanna go to sleep?
No.
You not sleepy?
I think you're tired, Al. You had a long day today. What's this, a zipper?
Ohio State.
Zipper. Yeah, that's quite a belly we got going on. More what?
Zippy.
Zippy?
Zippy.
A zipper? Wow, that's quite a belly.
Ohio State.
Maple.
Buckeyes.
Buckeyes! You want to kiss Brutus goodnight?
No.
No, because you don't want to go to bed, right? Betty, bye?
No. No.
Aren't you tired?
Come here. Come sit with Daddy. Come here. Ah. Okay, no Betty. No Betty, we'll watch football.
Want your Bubba?
Congratulations, my friend. By the way, that guy at College Game Day called Houston, go out water and take it down the books. And Kevin Sumlin, the head coach there, Trevor, he was an assistant in Oklahoma.
Go Buckeyes, Al.
With the Cowboys up at
Go Buckeyes.
Prediction for you?
You do it? Go Buckeyes.
Go Buckeyes! Go, go, go!
Whatever it was, Oklahoma State did not handle the hype.
No, not into it.